music, eh? Bloody hell, mate. Turn that down. Okay, let's get into this. What's up, guys? Shady Freak back with another Turbo Dismount video. Okay, let's go. Swiss banks. Don't think I've done this yet. Probably have, but either way. I don't remember it. Full speed. Alright, and B-head. Yeah. Forgot to change that. Clunk. Oh, Jesus. He's alright. Okay, well, that didn't work out quite how I was expecting. Either way, the wedge. The wedge. Today, I'm going to be playing as Big Head, because why not? No. Oh, thank God. Oh my gosh. Jesus. This game is so brutal. He didn't deserve this. He didn't deserve this! They see me rolling, they hating, rolling, trying to catch me, trying to catch me. Oh my God! Oh God, no! Oh! Jesus Christ! Oh! Really? Now you're just playing soccer with his head. How mean are you? This is brutal. You're brutal, mate. No respect these days. If a man lost his head, you don't just run over him again. Kitty coming through. That's actually the sound it makes. Only a little less annoying. Well, I mean, it's pretty annoying. How is them dodging skills dodged all of that by the skin of his teeth? And doink. And doink. Okay. Well, maybe it's time we get our revenge. Heavy metal! I'm still a big head though. Onward! Onward! Charge! Push through them. What the hell happened there? What is happening? What the hell? And crunch. And come on, fall on him. Fall on him. Fall on him! Oh, you suck. So close to falling on top of him. Let's go another stupid one. Go! Go! Whee! Whee! I imagine this would be pretty fun until you get hit by either a car or a train or just falling down a cliff. Not an actual cliff. Torn apart. Gotta love those ones where they literally get ripped into pieces. The disturbing ones. Yep. Anyway, new high school, let's go back. Highway patrol! We got 1783. We got another idiot just going down the road on another stupid thing. This time he's on oh my God, he just got hit. Never mind. Maybe we're not gonna need you to come. We don't need any backup, because don't worry, I'll just run over him for good measure. Yep. Yeah, he's definitely dead now. Oh, well, there's the backup. If he wasn't already dead, he definitely is now. But he was already dead because he doesn't have a head anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna stop doing his voice because it's very annoying. Wastelander. Go, Big Head Man Max. Doink. Mad Max needs some more driving lessons. Don't you think? Don't you? That went right over him. And crunch. There goes the head. And oh no, he's in the middle of the road now. No one's gonna be getting him anytime soon. Okay. Ready. Are you ready? Oh yeah, smooth cruiser. You can't beat this ride. The position he's in is immediate death. You can tell his head was just going to get torn off, ripped apart, and how is this vehicle still driving? Well, I mean, it's not driving where... That was bloody brutal. Like, incredibly so. I'm going to have to watch the replay on that. Just get right in there, just see him explode. That was a good one. That one was really good. Like, all the death everywhere, and... Okay, so this is what happened. He's going. He's got his head out like an idiot. Gets his head torn off. Let's go half speed. Half speed. There we go. He starts driving like an idiot. It's probably because he doesn't have a brain anymore. He's been decapitated. And then it goes flip, crush. Okay, back. Slow-mo. 1/16. Starts to flip. He hasn't been torn apart yet, though. He's out of the vehicle fully now. And then just crunch. Body parts everywhere. Blood splatters. Everything. Those are the best ones. Sasquatch. Full speed. Yeah. Yep, you just ride on top of that one. He's still on top of it. He's just taking it along with him. And there we go. Oh, Sasquatch is still alright. I'm pretty sure the guy inside is not, but Sasquatch is still alright. Yep, he's definitely dead. He is definitely dead. Like in every dimension. Okay, well. More death! I want more death. I don't have full speed. Huh. I seem to be lucky with this vehicle. Don't you dare you just flip out control. Go. They see me rolling. They hating. Those police... Oh, why did you even do that? What was the point? Why? What was the point of that? Jesus! Don't worry. I'm just rusty. Oh, something hit him. Okay. They can't hit a fire engine. They can't. Like how that just raises. And then spins around randomly for no reason whatsoever. That's probably why they're chasing me. Is that why you're chasing me? I'm sorry, I can't help it. Just, haha, get wrecked. Never mind. Carry on. What do these do? Imperial metric. Okay, never mind. I don't know. Split decision. Let's go. Fire truck. I'm on fire. No, I didn't mean to press that. Because I'm on fire. Fire truck. That was not fast enough. Nowhere near fast enough. Yeah, I'm not even going to try that because there's no way that he was going to make that. So just go. Charge. Why is your head out the window? That's not safe. Go. Yeah. Never mind. Well, that wasn't that good. But I still think we can get this fire truck over. Turbo pads. That's how. All the turbo pads. And go. Well, that's so close to full speed already. Go. Turbo pad. Woohoo! Oh, nailed it. Nailed it. Turn. No! Ah! Well, there goes his top side. Pretty sure the bottom side is still somewhere in the truck. Sasquatch. Woo! Okay, maybe we're going a bit too fast for the... Oh, God! Oh, God, no! What happened? Why? He was so young. Not really. It was an old man. But he still didn't deserve that. That was only slightly brutal. Only slightly. Woohoo! And... Yep. Monster trucks aren't supposed to fly. What goes up must come down. Especially when it's considering a monster truck flying through the air. Let's see if we can get the mole racer up. Or maybe even... Wow, pink lightning. Oh, what are you doing? 10 out of 10. Bloody 10 out of 10. Stop turning like that. Jeez. No. You. Idiot. Nah, mole racer sucks. Full speed for the pink lightning. The best vehicle on the market. Vehicle. Woo! Crunch. Just see the pedals going off. Going off. Okay. Let's get rid of these obstacles and then let's do some normal cars. And when I say normal cars, I mean, of course, Smooth Cruiser, Ranger, and others which fit the description, even though none of them really do. Woo! Oh, duh. Come on, fall. Fall. The guy fell. Well, the guy fell. Okay, well, I did say fall and they fell, so I'll give you a 6 out of 10. Why 6? Because I said so. And turn. Doink, doink, doink. Woo! Okay. 2 more vehicles. Let's go the Ranger. Ranger. Woo! And oh yeah, no. Well, that was kind of sucky. Oh well. Full speed. It's not full speed, but who cares? Woo! 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 Oh, made it. Made it. Crushed. Crunch. Crunchy crunch. Crunchy, crunchy, crunch. Crack, boom, bada bing, bada swing, bada boom. One more. Do a kick flip. Come on. Kick flip. Full speed. Okay, well, I am going to leave this episode here. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this guy is not going to make it. So let's go off the edge. What the hell?